Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing fine. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your eyelet without a grommet machine or the normal eyelet machine. So this is the one I've made using this method, and I've made several others using this method. You can see how neat it is. There's no need for cutting and cutting. So this is the tool we'll be using. And this is our eyelet, and I believe this is called washer or something, the other part of the eyelet. So, and you also need your scissors or soldering iron to make your hole on it. Then you need your hammer. You need hammer or stone or something to just hit it at the end. So how do you know the size of this thing to get? How do you know the size to get? The one I have here has YZ 4.8. I think, can you see it? It has 4.8. So for you to know the size that you will use, take your eyelet to where you want to buy this thing. I bought this one in Ilorin for 150 naira. So take your eyelet, the size of the eyelet you want to use, take it to the place. Then you test the both. I think, yes, it's called both are not. Test this both, just put it like this. You can see that this is just fitting inside it. The small part of this place is just entering it. It's not going inside. So anyone that is like this is the one that you will buy. Anyone that is like this is the one that you buy. So for the normal what's it called? For the normal eyelet that we put on the clothes, the normal size, you can get 4.8. I hope you can see it. Get 4.8. So just put it, when you put it like this, it will be on top, it will not go inside. So now this is where I want to put the eyelet. Now I'm not putting it at the back. This is where I want to put my eyelet. So I'll make my own. Make your hole small so that it's the eyelet that we make it big. It's better that way. You can also use soldering iron if it has with that. So these are the holes we've made. Now take the big one, the round one, and place it. If you have soldering iron, just use soldering iron. It's easier than this. It just goes in straight. So I have placed this, then place the cover on it. This one. Place it on it. Then take your tool. So I'll do the second one for you to then cover it, insert it. I've inserted it from the front, so you cover it with this, with the second part. Cover it, then take this round edge, put it inside, and heat it a little. Then you turn it, use your finger to pin the cover down a little. Then you use this round top, just place it on it and heat it again. And that is all. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the right side. I hope this is helpful. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.